Welcome back to another video. Today we will learn about WordPress setting. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. On left sidebar you will see option as settings. Click on it. In the general setting you will see the site title and tagline. Site title is the name of your website. If you open your website, move your mouse to the top tab. It will show the site name and tagline in line. This can be changed from general settings. Let's go back to general settings. I am keeping site title same and changing tagline as best website for wholesale. You can change the email address for your website here. Now if you're using the login feature, make sure this box is marked. Scroll down and save changes. Go back to your website and refresh page. Here you can see tagline is changed. Writing setting. You don't need to change anything here. Leave this as default. Let's move to the reading setting. Here you can select which page will be your home page and post page. We created a separate video on how to create a home page, a link giving in description. Now scroll down. You will see the search visibility option. In simple words, if you mark this box, it means Google will not show your website. So if your website is under construction, better mark this box. If your website is ready to launch, uncheck this box. Save changes and move to next setting. That is the discussion. Here you can control who can comment on your post. You can decide which comment will be visible and which is not, and many more. I am leaving this as default. Now next is the media setting. Leave this setting as default. The next setting that is important is the permalink setting. Here you can decide how your website link will be visible. Either it will show dates, months, or numbers after your website name. Mostly select post name. It means whatever you create like a page, post, or product name will be visible with your website name. For example, if you create a home page, link will be visible like this. Now scroll down and save the page. Next and last setting is privacy. Here you can select privacy page for your website. Most websites make their privacy policies available to site visitors. A privacy page should specify any personally identifiable information that is gathered, such as name, address, and other stuff. Hope this video is helpful to you. Subscribe tutorial key and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.